Scar Management with Dr. Neha Faran. Hi, I'm Dr. Neha Faran, MBBS, MD in dermatology. Today, I want to talk to you about scar management. Scars can be a source of frustration and self-consciousness for many people. Scars can be caused by a variety of factors, including injuries, surgeries, acne, and other skin conditions. If you have a scar that is bothering you, it's important to come in for a consultation with a dermatologist. We can assess the scar and recommend the best treatment options for your specific case. At Dr. Neha Skin Care Center, we offer a range of scar management treatments, including laser therapy, microneedling, and topical creams. One of the most effective treatments for scars is laser therapy. This involves using a laser to break down scar tissue and stimulate the production of new collagen, which can help to smooth and fade the scar. Topical creams can also be effective in managing scars, which can help to improve the texture and appearance of scars. It's important to remember that scar management takes time and patience. With the right treatment and care, we can help to minimize scar appearance and improve your confidence. Book an appointment now. You can give us a call at 0134226386 or 8755355651. Thank you for watching. And remember, at Dr. Neha Skin Care Center, we're here to help you achieve healthy, beautiful skin.